Hey guys, it's Jim with Freedom Diggers Metal Detecting. I want to pop in here on this windy day while I hide in the back of my truck and try and give you a really awesome tip. I'm in a schoolyard right now, and these places get hit pretty hard around here. There's a lot of detectorists in this area, and they get really excited over a buck or two in clad. And I'm just here having some fun. Now, let's get to the subject. So most people are going to come here and they're going to get all over these wood chips. And they're going to get all over around the play structures, right? And maybe those trees over there. Me, I'm heading for this fence line. Right where these houses are. This fence line that borders the schoolyard. It's the first place I'm going to go when I come to a place like this. Why? Well, people hop them fences. And when they hop the fences, they lose stuff out of their pockets, like all the time. And it goes on for years and years and years. This school was built in the mid-60s. That's right at the tail end of silver coin range. Haven't found any silver coins yet, but as usual, when I hit the fence lines, I have come up with a little bit of clad. This isn't bad for a schoolyard around here. I haven't even been here for an hour yet. And I'm over $1. Got a neat piece of jewelry here. I think it's costume. A couple pieces of scrap copper. I'm not complaining. I'm really not. And I've just scratched the surface of this place. This joint is huge. There's fence line all the way around this schoolyard on 3 sides. So by the time I pick this place clean, I'm probably going to come out of here with probably around $30 in clad coin. I'm willing to bet. This is based on experience. I've been hitting these yards for 10 years. And you get a feel for where the stuff is at. You want to think outside the box. Don't think like your typical detectorist when you approach a site. The same is true for parks. If you've got a park and it's got a fence line like this between older houses and the park, get on that fence line. That's where the stuff is. Nobody else is going there. So I hope this tip gives you guys some success out in the field. This one's a little on the short side. I'll be back with some more content. I'm kind of in a slump with detecting. I'm kind of in a slump with coming up with ideas for you guys, but hopefully the well will start to produce again, and I'll get some more stuff out for you. In the meantime, keep it dig for your eye and keep enjoying the most awesome hobby ever. I'm going to fire up Equinox 900 and get back on it. We'll see ya.